Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I've got a box in front of me with lots of pink packing peanuts, but that's besides the point. Today we've got a 6-car premium mystery box from Lombard Hobbies, and we're gonna open it up and see what we got. So I got this set on sale for $99. I think it was on sale from 300 something from Lombard Hobbies website. An amazing deal, and they got it to me quick, so just wanted to say thank you for Lombard Hobbies for doing that. And let's just jump right into this. So we've got, let me open this so I don't accidentally show my address. We've got just a packing slip, which is just standard. We've got some fruit snacks. We've got the actual cars themselves here, so we'll put these off to the side for now. We've got a HO and N scale ruler. That's pretty cool, just as a free gift. It's pretty awesome. And looks like we got one more thing, a little Lombard Hobbies bag. That's pretty cool too. That's awesome that they include those little things. Now let's put this box to the side and see what we got in here. Definitely gonna struggle doing this with one hand because they definitely pack this very well. Alright, I'm gonna open this up and I'll be right back. Alright y'all, I've got this open. Let's go ahead and pull out the first car. If I'll even be able to get it out. Might have to cut this some more actually. Dang, they did a really good job packing this. Alright, let's grab this small one right here and see what we got. Ooh, alright. Little 2-bay hopper, Burlington Northern. That's pretty cool. Athearn. There's the back if y'all are interested. Athearn N scale. I've never had an Athearn car actually, so that's pretty sick. Alright, let's see what we got. Let's grab the one under it. Alright, a little CSX 3-bay hopper. That's pretty cool from Tangent Models. That's awesome. It's a good little addition. And there's the back of that as well, if you're interested in reading. Let's see what else we got in here. I see some Scale Trains boxes, so I might want to save those for later because I'm a big fan of Scale Trains. Alright, what do we got here? Rapido. Another hopper. Okay, that's cool. I believe that is a 4-bay hopper this time. That's pretty cool too, Conrail. Yeah, I'm a big fan of Rapido. They have some really good stuff. So, there's that. There's another Rapido box, so let's see what we got here. This one is different than the other one, so let's go ahead and slide it out, if I can. There we go, another hopper. Looks like they just wanted to give me hoppers today. I'm completely fine with that. Yeah, that's cool. Another 4-bay hopper. Put that over here. Let's see what we got in these Scale Train boxes. I'm gonna make a guess and say that it's 2 more hoppers, but we'll see. Alright, that looks like a Coil car actually. That is pretty dang cool. From Scale Trains. Also love Scale Trains. There's the back of that. Yep, this is a Coil car. That's pretty awesome. And let's see what we got in this last one. Another Coil car. That is honestly sick. I'm a big fan of these. These are really cool. So, yeah, out of this mystery box, we got 2 Coil cars and 4 hoppers, which is honestly kind of cool. Yeah, this is our little haul, I guess. So, I would definitely say that's worth it. Especially, I'm sure you get more than the value I paid out of this for these 6 cars. So, big fan. Thank you again, Lombard Hobbies. I'll make some more videos on these train cars, but just wanted to do a quick unboxing for y'all. So if y'all enjoyed this video, Make sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos coming. See y'all.